How do new dementia treatments navigate regulatory approval? Imagine a new treatment for dementia is like a promising new recipe. Before it reaches your plate, it has to go through a detailed tasting process to make sure it's safe and effective. That's what regulatory agencies like the Food and Drug Administration in the United States or the European Medicines Agency in Europe do. They oversee a step-by-step process to ensure any new dementia treatment is both safe for patients and actually helps manage symptoms or slow disease progression. First, potential treatments start in the lab and with animal studies. Researchers test these compounds to see if they are safe and if they have the desired biological effect. Once they pass these tests, the treatment moves into clinical trials involving people. These trials happen in phases. The first phase is small and focuses on safety and finding the right dose. The second phase tests whether the treatment shows signs of working and checks for side effects in a larger group. The third phase is much bigger and aims to confirm that the treatment really helps patients, comparing it to existing options or a placebo. In recent years, scientists have started using biological markers, called biomarkers, to help evaluate how treatments work. For dementia, these might include measures like amyloid plaques in the brain. Sometimes, changes in these biomarkers can be used as surrogate endpoints, meaning they act as early signs that a treatment might be beneficial. This can speed up approval processes, especially when waiting for long-term clinical outcomes would take years. One pathway that helps get promising treatments to patients faster is called accelerated approval. If a treatment shows promise based on surrogate markers or intermediate signs, regulators might approve it sooner. But this approval is conditional. The drug sponsor must then conduct follow-up studies to confirm that the treatment truly benefits patients in real life. For example, a drug that reduces amyloid plaques might be approved based on that effect, but later studies are needed to prove it actually improves memory or daily functioning. The traditional approval process requires clear evidence that a treatment makes a meaningful difference in patients' lives. This usually means data from large, well-controlled clinical trials showing improvements in cognition or daily activities. Throughout this process, developers work closely with regulators, discussing trial designs, endpoints, and data expectations. Agencies also oversee manufacturing quality and ensure that the treatment meets scientific standards. Since dementia is a global challenge, many regulatory bodies around the world coordinate and share information. While approval standards are similar, each region might have specific requirements, which can influence how quickly a new treatment becomes available in different countries. Even after a treatment is approved, the work continues. Ongoing monitoring helps catch rare side effects and gathers more data on long-term safety and benefits. This continuous oversight ensures that treatments remain safe and effective for everyone. In summary, the journey of a new dementia treatment from the lab to your doctor's office involves many careful steps. It balances the need for rapid access to promising therapies with the rigorous evidence needed to ensure safety and real benefit. This process helps protect patients while encouraging innovation. Always remember, it's essential to consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice, as each person's experience with dementia is unique.